Good morning, boys and girls, and welcome to Reading Mastery Lesson 14. We're going to get started today saying some sounds. When I hold my finger under the sound, we're going to say it. My turn first. D. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. D. Very good. That's a quick and quiet sound. D. Your turn. Get ready. Very good. Next sound. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Next sound. My turn. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Let's say all the sounds together again. First sound. Get ready. D. Next sound. Get ready. Next sound. Get ready. Good saying the sounds. Okay, boys and girls, we're going to firm up on some of our sounds. Let's see if you can say all of these sounds without making a mistake. Remember, watch my hand. Get ready. Yes. 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 Good. You said all of the sounds in the column. We are going to do what the picture shows. Remember, when I move under the first ball, you're going to touch your ear. When I move to the second ball, touch your nose. Let's try it together. Get ready. Touch your ear. Now touch your nose. Put your hand down. Great. Let's see if you can do it by yourself. Get ready. Yes. Try closing your eyes and seeing if you can do what the picture is telling you, but listen for my snaps. The first snap, I want you to touch your ear. The second snap, I want you to touch your nose. Let's see if you can do that. Get ready. Good job. You did just what the picture shows. We're going to firm up on some sounds again. Now let's see if we can do all of these sounds without making a mistake. Remember, watch where my finger goes. Get ready. Yes. 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 Good job. You said all of the sounds in the column. Parents, this page is blank. I am going to say some words and some sounds. First, you're going to say them slowly. Then, you're going to say them fast. Listen. Rock. Again, say it with me. Rock. Again, your turn. Get ready. Say it fast. Yes, rock. Let's say it slow one more time. Get ready. Rock. Say it fast. Yes, rock. Listen. Ah. Your turn. Get ready. Yes. Ah. Say it fast. Yes. Ah. Let's say it slowly again. Get ready. Ah. Say it fast. Get ready. Yes. Ah. Listen. If. Your turn. Get ready. Let's say it together. Get ready. If. Say it fast. Yes. If. Let's say it slowly one more time. If. Say it fast. Get ready. Yes. If. Good job saying the word slowly and then saying it fast. Look at the picture. I'm going to say a word slowly and then I want you to say it fast. My turn. Listen. Eat. Again. Eat. Say it fast. What word? Yes. Eat. I'm going to show you the picture. The snake looks like it's going to what? Eat. Say it fast. Yes, eat. Very good. Okay, we're going to play the cross it out game. First, you'll tell me all of the sounds on this page without making a mistake. Then we'll go back and cross them out if you can get them correct. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Yes. Get ready. Yes. You did a great job saying all of the sounds. Let's go back over it and this time we'll cross them out. Get ready. Very good. Bye-bye. Get ready. Yes. Say goodbye. Get ready. Yes. Say goodbye. Get ready. Yes. Say goodbye. Great job playing the cross out game. You got all of the sounds right. Now you are going to say some words slowly without stopping between the sounds. Listen, my turn first. You're going to say fun. Your turn. Get ready. Fun. Again, by yourself. Get ready. Very good. Listen, my turn. Say rat. Your turn. Get ready. Rat. Your turn by yourself. Get ready. Very good. Listen, my turn. Meat. Your turn. Say it with me. Get ready. Meat. By yourself. Get ready. Great job. Listen, my turn. Say so. Your turn. Get ready. So. Again, by yourself. Get ready. Great job saying the words slowly. Okay, first on this, we're going to say the sound slowly. Then we're going to say it fast. My turn to say it slowly. Get ready. Ah. My turn to say it fast. Ah. Say it with me slowly. Get ready. Ah. Now let's say it together. Say it fast. Get ready. Ah. Your turn to say it slowly. Get ready. Yes. Ah. Now say it fast. Get ready. Yes. Ah. My turn to say it slowly. Get ready. My turn to say it fast. Let's do it together. Say it slowly. Get ready. Now say it fast. Get ready. Yes. Your turn to do it by yourself slowly. Get ready. Yes. Now your turn to say it by yourself the fast way. Get ready. Yes. Great job saying your sound slowly, then say it fast. This is your worksheet for lesson 14. The word that I will say will tell you what you're going to see on this worksheet. Listen. Sitting. Listen again. Sitting. Let's say it fast together. Get ready. Sitting. Yes. Listen, I'm going to do it again. Sitting. Say it fast. Yes. Sitting. In this picture, you see that the dog is sitting. Looks like he's sitting waiting for his food. On the bottom of the worksheet, I want everyone to put their finger on the big black ball. You're going to move your finger under the small black ball and we're going to say this sound. Get ready. Again, get ready. Good job. Let's do the next sound. Get ready. Ah. Again, get ready. Ah. I want you to practice saying your sounds by yourself, okay? Now, over here, we have our sound ah. You're going to take your finger, put it on the big black dot, and trace over the dotted lines. And you're going to go to the little black dot and trace over the black lines. After you've traced several times, I want you to take your pencil and trace the ah here and along the bottom of this worksheet. Once you are done, turn it over for the back side. On the back side of worksheet number 14, you see up here in the square, we have our ah sound. What does it have on top? Yes, an X. It's crossed out. So what are we going to cross out on our worksheet? Yes, the ah. So I want you to take your pencil and cross out all of the ah on the top portion of this worksheet. Are you going to cross out the No, just the ah. On the bottom portion of your worksheet, you're We're going to start on the black dot, and we're going to trace the dotted line to see what's on the bottom of this picture. Once you are done crossing out the ah and tracing the dotted line on the bottom, you may color your worksheet. Great job today, boys and girls. You were rock stars in our reading mastery.